Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the levels of management. We all know that the organization is divided into three levels: top level, middle level, and bottom level. Top level is consist of board of directors, managing directors, general managers, CEOs. Middle level consists of the departmental heads, that is production, purchase, sale, finance, personnel, etc. And bottom level, it consists of supervisor, jobbers, and foremen. Each and every level of management is very important and they are having their own functions. Let's see that one by one. The top level management. So it is the highest level of the any organization, and it includes the board of directors, managing directors, general managers, CEO, and they are concerned with the long term strategies and how to run the business. There are some certain functions of top management, you can say, such as primary and subsidiary objectives: to safeguard the rights of shareholders, to distribute the profit, announcing dividends, to plan long term planning, to plan the enterprise and implement and supervise it, to sanction the budgets, to abide by the law and code of conduct, to analyze the report of different activities, and so on. So thus it is a very important. Next, middle level. Middle level is consist of the departmental heads. There are different level departments we are having. So production manager, purchase, sale, finance, account. So this is, it is known as officer levels, and the functions of this: to implement the order and instructions of the top management, preparing budget, formulate the policies, rules and regulations, to take necessary steps for increasing the efficiency, to supervise the employees, to help the top level management in taking policy decisions, to focus on the functioning of subdivisions. Okay, so these are the functions. Now we will talk about bottom level. So bottom level, it is a supervisor level, or you can say functional level or operational level of management, which consists of supervisors, jobbers, and foremen. Okay, at here administrative administration is more and management is less. So some are the functions: to supervise the function of employee, to plan routine work, to perform functions related employees like transfer, promotion, to get instruction and order, to implement decision and policies decided by the top level, to solve the problems of the worker, to see the discipline and moral of the employees. Okay, to prepare, to pass the reports to the upper level of management that everything is going on or not. And next we will see the difference between these three levels. So as you can see, the first one, management and administration. So at top level, management is more and administration is less. Compared to that, management is less and administration is more in middle level, and at bottom level management is very less and administration is much more. What it includes: so at first level, top level, it includes the board of directors, managing directors, CEO, general managers. At middle level, officers and experts are there, and at bottom level, jobbers, foremen, supervisor. At top level, there are very less member, or you can say employees are there. At middle level, there are more employees compared to top level, and less than bottom level. And at bottom level, there are so many employees. Top level are having a more authority and responsibility compared to top level. Middle level is having less authority and responsibility, limited to the department, and bottom level there are very least authority and responsibility. Next, top level formulate the objectives and policies of the company. Middle level implements that policy and which are formulated by the top management, and bottom level will implement the policies and decisions that are formulated by top level as well as middle level. So top level, qualification and comprehensive skills are there. At middle level, here you need, at top level you must be all rounder. At middle level you must have the knowledge of your specific fields. and at the bottom level you need a knowledge of your division. Okay, the decisions taken at a top level that are risky, the decisions which are taken at middle level they are less risky, and decisions taken at bottom level are very less risky. Top level is accountable, who they are responsible towards whom, so they are responsible towards the shareholder, creditors, government department, legal provisions. Middle level is accountable to the top level, and bottom level is accountable towards the middle level. Form of the functions. So at this level, functions of intellectual work can seen at top level, functions of mental work seen in the middle level, and physical work can be seen at the bottom level.